Real estate agents and car sellers, I'm talking to you today. Someone who works in car sales asked me if building a credit repair business with the 30-day CRA program will benefit them. First thing I thought was, yes, absolutely. There are few things in life that go together better than peanut butter and jelly, or Michael Jordan and Scotty Pippen in the 90s. Another dynamic duo is doing real estate or car sales as a main hustle or your main job with credit repair business on the side. When customers don't get approved, you don't have to turn them away. Instead, you can help them build credit so they can buy and so you can take your commission. Here's a scenario of how this might play out. A customer comes to you wanting to buy a car or house. You or your finance team run their credit and they get a terrible offer or denied. You either turn them away or you can refer them to your credit repair business and you help them improve their credit, and then you sell them a car or house when they are in a better position to buy. Ta-da! You win either way. And let's be honest, working on commission can be tough. If you don't make a sale, you don't make money. But running a credit repair business can offer you some much needed stability because customers pay on a recurring monthly basis for that service. So when cars or houses aren't moving, the credit repair business can offer a financial cushion. If you are a car salesperson or a real estate agent, a credit repair business is almost a no-brainer, and you can get started quickly. You already know how credit works. You already have a pool of prospects. All you need is instructions on how to set up your business legally, how to manage clients, and how to dispute items on credit report records. That's all covered in the 30-day CRA program. If you want to make some more money, I can show you how. Oh, by the way, check out the full details of the 30-day CRA program and get 60% off. Click the link you see on your screen or go to www.30daycra.com. Talk to you soon. P.S. Running a credit repair business while working as a real estate agent or car salesman can help you sell more cars or homes. If people don't qualify, you can send them to your credit repair business, make money that way until they're able to buy from you from your other services. You already have the clients who need the service. Why not offer credit repair? Click the link you see on your screen or go to www.30daycra.com and I will talk to you soon. Peace.